our next excursion. That's right. And behind me, as you see, look right there. Yeah. Hey, that's the train station. We're in a city called Bremen. That's right. Hey, you guys, let's go and explore Bremen. Come, let's go. Hey, you guys. Hey, did you know that Bremen is located in northwestern Germany along the Weser River? It's about 60 kilometers, maybe about 37 miles inland from the North Sea. Did you guys know that? Hey, you guys, here in Bremen, the cities that are near Bremen is Hamburg, it's to the northeast. Hanover, it's to the southwest. And Oldenburg to the west. So those are a few neighboring cities that are in the area here.
Ja, da habt ihr den dreimal Richtung Werdertor nach Holzhausen, dann kommt man auf Richtung Weser River und der Bremer.
Hey you guys, hi. So we are here in this area called Schnoor. Right here. Yeah, so this area is the oldest part of Bremen, and it's filled with like narrow alleys, charming. It's like little charming medieval shops. You'll get a chance to see. And it's like a little YouTube.
YouTube?
Ja.
Was machst du da?
Ich habe einen YouTube-Kanal.
Ja, aber was für Kanal?
Mit Reisen. Reisen.
So, mit
Ja,
Reisen?
ja, genau. Ja. Mach's gut. Vielen Dank. Danke. Yeah, so sorry about that, you guys. He just was wanting to know like what I'm doing, what kind of channel I have, and so forth. That's all. So getting back to.
Wir waren echt nicht weit weg. Wir dachten uns.
Entschuldigung.
Didn't I tell you Bremen is such a beautiful city? Isn't it? I told you that it's so beautiful here and so much to see, so much to do too. Hey you guys, it's so much to see and do here. Check it out. Hey, you guys, didn't you have a good time? Oh man, I had such a good time. I know you did too. Hey, well, hey, my time here has finally come to an end. You know, all good things has to come to an end. But you know what? Do me a favor, like and subscribe. And until next time, everyone, okay? Ciao.